Welcome. Today, we're diving into Google's NotebookLM, a powerful research and note-taking tool built on the Gemini AI models. Released in 2023, NotebookLM is designed to help you organize, summarize, and explore your own content, whether that's PDFs, Google Docs, YouTube videos, or websites. If you've ever struggled to keep your research or ideas in one place, this tool might be exactly what you need. Let's explore how NotebookLM can transform the way you work and learn, and why it's become an essential part of my workflow. Despite my interest in AI and using multiple tools, I didn't warm up to NotebookLM right away. The main reason? Organization isn't my strong suit. I thrive in a bit of chaos, where ideas mix and connect in unexpected ways. My note-taking style has always relied on memory and spontaneity, not neat folders or strict order. But I know many people love structure, and for them, NotebookLM is a dream come true. If you're someone who enjoys order, you'll find this tool especially helpful. As time goes on, I've noticed my memory isn't quite what it used to be. While I can recall details from years ago, recent information sometimes slips away. Instead of resisting, I decided to embrace new tools and a bit more organization. NotebookLM became part of this shift, helping me keep track of important information without losing the creative spark that comes from a little chaos. It's about finding a balance between structure and spontaneity. One of the first ways I used NotebookLM was to organize my articles about AI for teaching. I run classes on Midjourney, ChatGPT, and other large language models. Over the years, I've written a lot of material, but it was scattered everywhere. With NotebookLM, I created notebooks for each topic: photographic techniques, styles, mood boards, and more. This made it easy to find and reuse content for my courses, saving time and keeping everything accessible. NotebookLM isn't just another chatbot. Its answers are based on the sources you provide, not generic web data. That means the quality of your notebooks depends on the sources you choose. Instead of dumping hundreds of articles into one notebook, it's better to select relevant ones for each topic. This approach helps NotebookLM generate focused reports, outlines, and explainers, making your research more effective and your teaching materials more precise. While organizing Midjourney materials was straightforward, courses like ChatGPT or DeepSeek were more challenging. The content was more complex, and simply gathering articles wasn't enough. I realized that teaching AI isn't just about technical knowledge. It's about communication, goal setting, and understanding cognitive linguistics. These skills are crucial for working with AI, but not always obvious to students. NotebookLM helped me address these deeper needs in creative ways. To make learning more engaging, I used NotebookLM to create flashcards and quizzes. Instead of overwhelming students with theory, I embedded essential concepts into interactive materials. This approach made lessons on communication and cognitive linguistics more accessible and interesting. Even if my own studies in these areas were long ago, NotebookLM allowed me to refresh and present them in a modern, student-friendly way. One standout feature of NotebookLM is Discover Sources. With a simple click, you can describe the kind of information you need, like logic, philosophy, or rhetoric, and Google will suggest respected sources to add to your notebook. This made it much easier for me to build comprehensive courses, combining my own materials with high-quality external content. It's a great way to enrich your research without endless searching. NotebookLM isn't just about storing information. It can also generate mind maps, reports, flashcards, and quizzes. These features help you visualize connections, summarize key points, and create interactive study materials. While it won't do all the organizing or final writing for you, it's a powerful step in turning scattered ideas into structured, useful resources. This makes it ideal for both educators and lifelong learners. NotebookLM isn't just for teachers or writers. Many people use chatbots for brainstorming and idea development. I often use ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek to flesh out ideas, each offering unique perspectives. But managing all these conversations can get messy. That's where NotebookLM shines. It lets you gather discussions from different bots in one place, making it easier to review, compare, and build on your ideas. To make sense of scattered chats, I copy entire discussions, questions, answers, and reasoning chains into NotebookLM. Now, everything is centralized. I can ask NotebookLM to analyze the answers, track the flow of ideas, and even generate mind maps or reports based on these conversations. This approach has made it much easier to spot details, avoid confirmation bias, and ensure I'm not missing hidden insights from any AI model. With all my AI conversations in one place, I can easily turn discussions into articles, mini ebooks, or even YouTube videos. NotebookLM now offers video overviews, and while the graphics may not be perfect, the narration and scripting are solid. By overlaying these videos with better visuals and text, I can create engaging content quickly. This workflow has made my creative process more efficient and productive. NotebookLM's real power lies in its ability to find connections between your sources. You can ask questions like, what are the key elements in these materials? Or what links exist between these ideas? The tool excels at uncovering non-obvious bridges, helping you see relationships you might have missed. This can lead to new insights and breakthroughs, whether you're researching, teaching, or brainstorming. While NotebookLM is powerful, it's not a magic solution. It won't do all the organizing or final writing for you. The tool is best used as an assistant, a bridge between raw ideas and finished products. You still need to curate your sources, guide the process, and add your own creativity. But with the right approach, NotebookLM can save you time, reduce chaos, and help you produce higher quality work. If you haven't tried Google's NotebookLM yet, now might be the perfect time. It's simple to use, but packed with features that can help you turn scattered ideas into something tangible. Whether you're a student, teacher, researcher, or creative, NotebookLM offers a unique way to organize, explore, and connect your knowledge. Give it a try and see how it can enhance your workflow and spark new ideas.